Everything I am, everything I be, I give it to you, Lord. Whose microphone is on? Gauri, please mute your microphone. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you've given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay, so we have a birthday girl in our class today. So we will sing a birthday song for Kia. Okay, everyone? Okay, everyone? Start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Ma'am, 1 minute, 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute,
Just,
ma'am.
just a minute.
Kia.
Okay, well, we'll sing. Okay, just class, just a minute. We will start. Just a minute.
Happy birthday, Kia. Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
Kia.
We have a birthday celebration for
Birthday,
today.
Happy birthday, Kia. Happy birthday,
We will start. Okay, once again we will start. Okay, one. Everyone unmute your microphone and we'll everyone sing together. 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, to dear Kia. Happy birthday. May God bless you. May God bless you. May God help you, dear Kia. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations from the Kia.
Happy birthday, Kia.
Kia. Say thank you,
Thank
all
you,
of
all
you.
of you. Happy birthday, Kia. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
બધાને કો પાર્ટી માં જલ્દી જલ્દી આવી જજો.
દાદી મારા પપ્પાને જલ્દી આવવાનું કહેવાનું છે.
हिंदी हिंदी क्या बोलोगे आप?
આ જલ્દી બીડી પ્રિન્સિપલમાં આ જવાના है. ओके, Kia.
आप सब जल्दी जल्दी मेरी पार्टी में आ जाना.
आ जल्दी दोनों पार्टी में आ जाना.
तो भी पप्पू को.
हाँ?
Okay. Okay, so once again, happy birthday, Kia. Now, everyone, write down the date, today's date in the chat box. Kia, you must remember the date, है ना, Kia?
Happy
So
birthday,
write
Kia.
down the date in the chat box. Shivin correct, Nate correct, yes, Kia correct. Yes, the day is Friday. Gauri correct. Others, please write down the date in the chat box.
मैम कल सैटरडे क्लास है.
जी हाँ, tomorrow is the last Saturday where we have a class. Then afterwards, no extra class on Saturday. Okay?
मैम Friday.
Yes, fra. Yes, absolutely right. We have a fra word. From Friday, it's starting FR, fra. Good. So Vedika, Hirudai, Himak, Hanak and Arav, Laksh, the date is correct. Okay, so what is the date today? Today is 27th August 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay, what is the day today? Friday. So 27th August 2021 and the day is Friday. Now, we have completed yesterday the three families of R blend, right? Pra, fra and tra, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to do dictation. I'm going to do the dictation of those words and you will try to write that word. Okay? So take your English notebook, everyone. Take your English notebook.
Ma'am, I don't want to take it. My box have many books.
Okay. So take your English notebook, open a fresh page, write down today's date and the topic you will write dictation. Okay? Open a new page, write down today's date and the topic you will write down dictation. Write down the same in your index page also. Okay? This is your English notebook. In the index page, you will write the date and the topic. Today's date and the topic dictation. Write down dictation. Okay, everyone, have you written this much?
मैम डेट के बाद क्या लिखना है?
Heading लिखना है बच्चा dictation. You have to write dictation in the heading.
मैम done dictation.
Now, I will say the word and you will write the spelling. Okay, class? Everyone is ready? Hate, I can't see you and Ayansh, I can't see you, bacha. Please keep your video on. Follow. Now, the first word is truck. The first word is truck. 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 The first word is truck.
Ma'am done truck.
Right? Now check your spelling, everyone. This is the spelling of truck. If it is wrong, then please correct it. Truck.
And this is right.
Okay, Vedika.
Ma'am, I also right.
Very good, Kia. Now, let's move to the next word. Prayag, are you writing?
Ma'am, next word.
हाँ बच्चा है. Wait. Next word is frog. Frog.
Frog
Frog.
or frog?
Frog. 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 Frog.
Frog.
Frog.
Ma'am, done frog. Can I
Okay,
check my
Vedika,
answer?
you can show me thumbs up. That's it. No need to unmute your microphone. Okay? Yes, frog. 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 Done, everyone? Now, check your spelling.
Nice.
Okay? Good. The one who has correct spelling, very good. Vedika, please mute your microphone.
Okay, ma'am.
Next word we have pray. 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 Now check your spelling. Pray.
It is correct. Ma'am, it is correct.
Yes, here AY is having A sound. There is no sound of Y. That is why we are saying A. Long sound. Pray. Okay? Let's move to the next word. Tree. 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 Okay, Shiven, Vedika. Okay, Kia, Paki, Arav. Now check your answer then. Tree. Okay? Tree.
मैम ई का ए से भी बनाना था ऊपर.
नहीं वो Y का है, E का नहीं है. Yeah.
अच्छा,
Okay.
लाइन बाय लाइन बना रही हूँ.
Now next word is fry. Fry. Next word you will write fry. Fry. Done? Check your answer for fry. FRY. Okay? Fry.
मैम आई आना चाहिए ना वाई के जगह.
यहाँ पे Y का साउंड I है, इसलिए. We will learn this. You are not wrong, Vedika. If you have written I can't consider you wrong because the sound is I, so you get confused. So that's fine. But after completing blend,
I'm asking you.
Okay. Yes, in some of the words, the letter the letter Y has a I sound. We will learn this concept afterwards, but right now we are focusing on blend. So here the fry is Y. Okay? Chalo. Next word is press. Press. S, press. S, press. Check your answer. S, press.
Ma'am, I is correct.
Very good.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I correct. Correct.
Okay. Good, Vedika. Shivian, I can see showing thumbs
My
up.
correct.
Shlok, correct. Okay, fine. Good, Arav, Shlok. The one who has correct spelling written correct. Very good for them.
Correct.
Okay, Danish. Good. Paki, good. Good luck. Now let's write this next word. Next word is in train. In train. Next word is in train. Your next word is in train. Train. Pick your answer. In train. In train. Okay, I can see many thumbs up. Good. Train. Done, everyone? Let's move to the next word.
Done.
Okay. The next word is trip. Trip. Trip.
Ma'am, done.
Trip. 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 Check your answer. Trip.
Ma'am, correct. Ma'am, correct.
Very nice. Trip.
Ma'am, correct.
Good. Very good. Now, the next word is frock. 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 Frock.
Done.
Okay.
Ma'am, already done. Frog.
No, we have not done this. No, we have not done the word.
Frog
I am
is
telling
done.
you frock. Truck is done, bacha. I am telling you frock. Frock.
No, frog is done.
No, then you have written wrong.
Frog is
answer.
done.
Ma'am, frog is done. Frog.
Listen to me. We have written frog, not frock. Okay, that is frog. And then if you are confused between truck, then truck is also done. Truck is different word. This is, I am telling you, frock. Frock. Okay? Frock. The frock you are wearing. That frock. Frock.
Ma'am, it's done.
Now everyone check your answer. Frock.
Ma'am, right.
Okay. Now the last word. Okay, the last word.
Nice, wrong, ma'am. I'm sorry.
It's okay, bacha. It's okay. The last word we will write, that is pram. Pram. Pram.
Done, teacher.
Very good. If you are done, pram.
Ma'am.
Now check your answer.
Ma'am. Correct.
Very good.
Ma'am, correct.
Very good, Kia. Very good, Shivin.
Correct. Ma'am, correct.
Very good, Hriday. Vedika.
Ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Everyone, show me your notebook.
Ma'am, see.
Mute your microphone and show me your notebook. Yes, I can see Vedika. Good. Araf. Good. Yes, Yanvi. Proper. Nivan. Good. Pata nahi Nivan, when you will improve your handwriting. Vidya, I have Sikhanak. Good. Gauri, wait a minute, bacha. I'll see yours because I can't see you. Okay, Gauri. Gauri, thoda sa you need to improve your handwriting, bacha. Write in a proper line. Laksh, show me. Okay, Laksh, proper. So here, yes, Paki, proper bacha. Paki, perfect. Prayan, good. Ayansh, nice. Okay, good. But you have not written some of the words. I think might be it was missed from you. It's okay. Perfect. Now listen to me. Your next class is your Hindi class, right? So I have given you a worksheet yesterday. So you have to sit with that worksheet. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes? Your class is over.
Last class. Hindi na worksheet.
Why you want to know about last